Removing an up-flush toilet without causing a mess or water backflow is easier than you think if you know the right steps to follow. First off, before you even touch the toilet, make sure you turn off the water supply to the pump system. Usually, there's a valve near the pump box. Turn that off to stop any water from flowing back. Next, flush the toilet a couple of times to clear out as much water as possible from the bowl and tank. Then, disconnect the power supply to the pump to avoid any accidental starts while you're working. When you unplug the toilet from the pump box, grab a bucket and some towels because a little water might still be in the pipes. Detach the discharge hose carefully. This is where most leaks happen if you're not paying attention. Use a sponge or cloth to soak up any remaining water inside the toilet base before moving it. Finally, when the toilet is out, cover the open pipe or hose with a cap or a rag to stop any backflow or odors while you work on your new tile. One of the biggest mistakes people make when removing an up-flush toilet is forgetting to turn off the water supply, which can lead to water flooding your workspace. Always locate and shut off that valve first to avoid headaches. Another common problem is not disconnecting the power to the pump first. This can cause the pump to run unexpectedly and cause damage or injury. Lastly, many folks don't properly seal the pipes after disconnecting, letting water or smells back into the room. Using a proper cap or plug on those pipes is the simple fix that keeps everything clean and dry. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff, especially for tricky jobs like moving an up-flush toilet. It also helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with people who need reliable home improvement pros nearby.